A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my students. How do you do? I hope you are doing great. I am Aisha Naseem, your mathematics teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. Welcome to lecture 1 of Mathematics Level 2. But before we start our lecture, you have to do two things. First, let's make sure you must have your stationery items with you, like pencil, eraser, notebook, and most importantly, your countdown too. Second, let's make sure you are attentive throughout my lesson, your ears are listening to me, and your eyes are watching this lecture. So this is your first term syllabus, which is available on official website of school, or you can get the hard copy of this syllabus from school as well. Well, I'm so happy that you are here today, and I'm also very excited to tell you about the place value of two-digit number. After watching this video, I hope you will be able to differentiate between one-digit and two-digit numbers, identify the place value of two-digit numbers, and understand the concept of tens and ones. Let us start with the things which we already knew. One-digit numbers. From 0 to 9, all numbers have one digit. We use the word ones with one-digit number like 0 ones, 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, or इसी तरह 9 ones. Have you seen the number 10 before? Yes, you did. Is there any difference between 10 and the other numbers? Yes, 10 has two digits. 10 is two-digit number. And the other numbers from 10 to 99 all are two-digit numbers. Place value. The concept of place value is easy to understand with the help of objects like sticks, pencils, marbles or beads. Here I am using crayons of different colors. Let's count together how many crayons we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 10 क्रेयॉन्स हैं. अगर इससे ज़्यादा हमारे पास क्रेयॉन्स होंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम पैक ऑफ 10 बनाएंगे, यानी 10 कलर्स का एक पैकेट बनाएंगे और उसको 1 10 काउंट करेंगे. Like this. We will put all these different colors of crayons in one packet. और ये पैकेट क्या बन जाएगा, 1 pack of 10. 10 color pencils is equal to 1 pack of 10, and 1 pack of 10 is equal to 110. 1 pack of 10 makes 110, 2 packs of 10 makes 2 tens, 3 packs of 10s, 3 tens. So what do you think? 4 packs of 10 makes how many tens? Yes, you are right. 4 packs of 10s make 4 tens, 5 packs of 10s make 5 tens, and 6 packs of 10s make 6 tens. Now you can see we have 1 pack of 10 which is equal to 110, and other than that we have 1 crayon. अगर हमारे पास less than 10 कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे तो हम उसे वंस में काउंट करेंगे. यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक क्रेयॉन है तो हम उसे काउंट करेंगे 1 1. और हम इसको इस तरह से भी पढ़ सकते हैं 110 and 1 1. 110 and 1 1 is equal to 11, which means 110 and 1 1 makes 11. Here you can see 1 pack of 10 equals to 110 and 8 more crayons, which means 8 ones. we can read it as 110 8 ones or 110 and 8 ones. 110 and 8 ones make 18. हम इस नंबर को डिजिट्स में भी लिख सकते हैं और वर्ड्स में भी. Like 110 and 8 ones is equal to 18 in digits and 18 in words. Now 2 pack of 10, which is 2 tens and 6 crayons. 6 ones, यहाँ पे भी 10 से कम है crayons, तो हम उनको अलग अलग ones काउंट करेंगे. 1 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones and 6 ones. हम इसको ऐसे भी पढ़ सकते हैं 2 tens and 6 ones. In digits, we can write 2 tens and 6 ones as 2 6, which is 26. 2 tens and 6 ones make 26. इसको हम digits में भी लिख सकते हैं और words में भी. On page number 4, we have question number 6, which is how many tens, how many ones, count and write. We are going to solve part E, which is, now we are going to find out how many tens and ones are there. For this, we have to count the pack of tens and जो हमारे पास अलग से crayons हैं उनको भी count करना पड़ेगा. Let's see. इसके लिए अब हमें मिलके काउंट करना पड़ेगा. 10 के पैक्स को हम अलग से काउंट करेंगे और जो क्रेयॉन्स जो हमारे पास सेपरेट हैं उसको अलग काउंट करेंगे. अब पैक ऑफ 10 को हम अलग काउंट करेंगे तो हम काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 पैक ऑफ 10 इज इक्वल टू 6 टेंस. और क्रेयॉन्स को काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 ones. तो आंसर हमारे पास क्या आएगा 6 tens 6 ones. On page number 5 we have question number 7, which is write the numbers according to the place values. So we are going to solve its part B, which is 0 tens and 6 ones. 0 tens and 6 ones. तो जब भी हमने इनको डिजिट्स में लिखना होता है टेंस हमेशा हमारे पास लेफ्ट साइड पे आता है और वंस हमारे पास राइट साइड पे आते हैं. तो हम इसको लिखेंगे 0 6 लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट पार्ट E, 8 tens and 0 ones. 8 tens and 0 ones. सिमिलरली हम 8 को फिर लेफ्ट साइड पे रखेंगे और 0 को राइट साइड पे. इट बिकम्स 80. 80 क्या कहलाता है 80. Now part H, 1 10 and 1 1. आपने देखा इसके साथ हमने S नहीं लगाया. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 कोई भी चीज़ होती है तो हम उसके साथ सिंगुलर यूज़ करते हैं. So it becomes 11. So here we have another question on page number 5, which is question number 8. Write in words. Part B, 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 tens and 2 ones. अब आप अपने माइंड में इसको सोचिए क्या बनेगा अगर हम इसको रखें 7 को लेफ्ट साइड पे और 2 को राइट साइड पे. 7 2 72. So how can we write it in words? With spellings 72. 72. इसके लिए आपको ये सारे स्पेलिंग्स याद करने पड़ेंगे. Part F, 9 tens and 0 ones. अगर हम इनको डिजिट्स की प्लेस पे रखें 9 और 0, 90. So what will be the spelling of 90? N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. Now it's time for homework. You have to solve the remaining part of questions which are given on page number 4 and 5. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions about this lecture, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.